Yeah, hi friends. Today we come to play the pickleball game. There you can see friends are playing. Yeah, and this is a garden. After play, I sit here. This garden is very beautiful, small with very cool chairs. These all it's very interesting. These all plants look some flower plant and some food plant. That's really awesome. What is this? Is it brinjal? Right? This one. Yeah, these are the brinjals. Very nice. Wow. Here I can see. Don't touch it. What is the sea farmer on Tuesday morning? Oh, that's great. That's really awesome. This also we see in India. This brinjal. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know what is this one, but it looks so useful. Oh, very nice. This brinjal, live brinjal. And this supporting system I like. They put it so that this tree will not fall. That's really taking care of the trees. Huh? Very nice. And this is very nice, comfortable chair to sit. Let's see this flower. Wow. Very nice. Quite good. What is here? Let's see this side. Oh. Please let me grow. Don't pick a trend. Tuesday morning, I would like clippings. That's cool. That's really awesome. Haha. Oh. And this is wow, so nice. Very beautiful. Oh, wow. Very cool. Very nice creativity. And this tree here, this looks like lemon tree. Yeah, you can see these lemons. So that's awesome. This tree, I don't know what is this. Oh, this is also lemon. Here we can see from the very near this one. Yeah, but it's not very circular. I don't know what kind of lemons, but yeah. And here, let's see this one. Wow, beautiful. What is this? Is it rose? It's not rose. It's kind of different, but this is really nice and beautiful. Wow, that's awesome. That's cool. Without plants, there is no good life, man. Yeah, I like it. Let's see this side. What is this? Oh, this is corn. Yeah. I'm feeling like I came in the farm. Very nice. And this has a very small, some fruit is coming, this one. Once it become big, it will be nice. Yeah. So that's how this one. And this is what? Watermelon. Wow. This is watermelon, friends. Great. Let's see, can we find some small watermelon? I think there are some birds coming, but yeah, that's good. Awesome. We can see here the bees are coming to take the honey from the flowers. That's really awesome. And today weather is great weather, I will say. And this is a chair. Let's sit and see, friend. That's also one more chair. 4 chairs are there in this small garden, and we can see the brinjal there. That's cool. And the building, the friends are playing there. I've played. I tired after playing the 3 games, so I thought be with the nature. So I like this weekend is really marvelous. I come here. You can see the outside companies are there working. This is IT companies area, and behind many 30-40 people were coming in the morning to play. This weekend has really given the very good experience and feeling, especially with the plants now. I will say that's a cool place. What do you do, friends, on the weekend generally? So yeah, the sunflowers. Let's have a look. Yeah, we can go. Wow, there is one small bird has come. Okay, let's see. He's wow. That's you can see that small bird. Yeah, that's really awesome. Yeah, picking up the honey from the flowers. My God, what beautiful! Really awesome to see. Oh, he's fly away. It looks like he has seen, but he's doing the same thing on that side, that end. We can see this. Yeah, he was here. He just gone there. That's cool. And butterfly is also here. Nature is so awesome. Yeah, that's what. On earth we don't. Oh, there is the bird also. He is taking the shower. Amazing. Get the shower with the freedom. Don't disturb anybody. That's really cool, huh? It's hot outside, but that's why that small bird is taking the shower. Take it. Very nice. That bird have no fear. Relax. Taking the shower, doing. These are the great things, beautiful things to see. So this is these flowers here. Oh, this is wow, chili. This is awesome chili, friends. Here, chili plant. We can see the chili. That's nice. This is also the chili in bottom. And what is this? Is it yellow bell pepper? Oh, this is yellow bell pepper. That's good. This is awesome, friends. How do you like this garden? Here we can see. Oh, it's golf, the small golf. Oh, here, from here to there. That's really cool. The small golf pitch. And this is whole. Awesome. And here we can sit and eat together. Very nice chairs design also, friends. This is very nice, and this is very, if you touch it, it feel very cold. It's very cold, it's not hot. Yeah, this one here. So yeah, that's how it's cool place, ground, and there is also TV that side. Some soccer games are going on. Yeah, that's awesome. So have a good weekend, friends. So today we saw this very natural nature garden, but I liked it. That's what it is very important to be with nature. It feels relaxed, cool, get the great vibes from the nature. Yeah. So friends, have good weekend and great time ahead. Let me see. This is a butterfly. He is sitting here. Oh, where is he? Yeah, here. You can see this. Yeah, he is sitting butterfly here. Yeah. The wind is coming. Butterfly now. Yeah, he fly away. He's gone that side. Where is that bird? Bird has gone after bath. Okay, have a nice and great time ahead, friends. Take care, you all.